Now we will do one example question. Okay, example number 6. Question is, check whether 301 is a term of the list of numbers 5, 11, 17, 23. You have to find out whether 301 is there or not in that list of numbers. And they are given you whether the list of numbers is AP or not. No. So what you have to do then? First you have to check whether the list of numbers in AP or not. Okay, how will you check it? You have to find out A2 minus A1, A3 minus A2, right? If both the D's are correct means we can say. If you want means again A3 minus A4, A4 minus A3 also we can find out. Okay. So first we will write the progression. Maybe we don't know that whether it is in the progression or not. List of numbers we are writing. Okay. Then A1 is equal to 5, A2 equals 11, A3 is equal to 17, A4 is equal to 23. Now A2 minus A1 D equals A2 11 minus 5, you will get the answer 6. Again D equals A3 minus A2. So it will be A3 is 17 minus 11, you will get the answer 6. If you want means again if you want to try means okay, no problem, D is equal to, time is there means no problem for you, okay, right? 23 minus 17, it is 6 you will get. That means what? D is equal to 6 and the list of numbers in AP. The list of numbers are in AP since D is C. Okay. Then what is the next thing then? You have to find out 301 is a term of the list of numbers. 301 means what? Nth term means what? How will you find out the nth term? N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Right. So let me just write this formula first. N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Just apply all these things. A means it is 5 plus D you know it is 6. What are this An and this one is N? An is what? The given number. Suppose a number is given. That means that will be An. Clear? So we have to consider An as that number as An or 301 is an An. Now what you can find out then? N minus 1. Why? Because we can find out this N means which term that 301 will be in the list in AP. Which term it will be. If it is there means what we will get the term. 11th term, 12th term, like the term we will get. Clear? So for that term N will be, you have to find out. So 301 minus 5 equals N minus 1 into 6. So it will be 296 equals N minus 1 into 6. And after that 296 by 6 is equal to N minus 1. Whether it will be cancelling, can you cancel? 4, 6, is it divisible? Divided by 6, it is 6 4s are 24, 56, 54. So remainder comes. That means it is not divisible by 6. Then we will take common now. Common means here even numbers comes means 2 we can take. Here also 6 means 2 we can take. So 3 2s are 6. Here it will be 1, 4, 8. 148 by 3 plus 1 equals N. That means 148 plus 3 divided by 3 equals N. It will be 143. It will be 151 divided by 3 equals 9. N equals N. Just look. N means what? It should be a natural number always. Is this one is a natural number? So 151 by 3 you got. Since N is not a natural number, what we can say then? 301 is not a term of the given list. So next one is example number 5. Determine the AP whose third term is 5 and the seventh term is 9. So they had given you A3, right, and A7. You have to find the AP. Third term means it is A3 equals 5 and A7 equals 9. Using this, you have to find out AP. For the AP, what all things we need? We want A, we want, right? First term we want, then only we can add. Then next thing, common difference we want. Okay. Now we want to find out common difference and A. So A3, how will you write it? A3 as it is A3 equals, what is A3? A plus 2D. Right? And A, what is A3? It is 5. That means A plus 2D equals 5. So A3 equals 5. Equation number 1. We already did. A7 means what? A7 equals A plus 6D equals 9. That means these two equations we have, and we can find out one variable from here. Two variables are there, we can find out one variable, and A is same, so take the additive inverse and advance subtract. So here it will be cancelled. We will get the answer negative 4D equals, it is negative 4. So D equals negative 4 by negative 4, D equals 1 you will get. Right, now we got 1 as D. Now what is next step? Substitute in any of the equation, then we can find out A. So it will be A, so we will write substitute D equals 1 in equation number, which one is here that we can write? Okay, equation number 1. So A plus 2D equals 5, then A plus 2 into 1 equals 5. So A plus 2 equals 5, A equals 5 minus 2, A is equal to 3 got. Right, now we want to find out AP. Now here we got A, we got next term A2, how will you find it A2? It is A plus D, so A and D is there, A plus D will get. What about A3? It is A plus 2D. Next one is A plus 3D, it will be enough. Now otherwise how will you find out the previous term plus difference, common difference we add means we will get. Okay, so here first term, or we will write it as A itself, A1, or A is equal to 3, D is equal to 1, therefore A2 equals A plus D, means 3 plus 1, you will get the answer 4. Now A3 means A plus, what is it, 2D, or what we can write? A3 equals A2 plus D, any one method will be enough. Then A plus 2D means A is equal to 3, 2 into D is equal to 1, 3 plus 2 will get the answer 5. Here same thing, A3 equals A2 plus D, A2 is 4, 4 plus 1 and A3 equals 5. Same thing you will get. Only 4 terms will be enough. A4 equals A plus 3D, that means A is 3 plus 3 into 1, you will get the answer 3 plus 3 6. Same thing you will get it here. What you will get? A3 plus D, it is 5 plus 1, you will get the answer 6. Then the AP is, which are they? First number 3, then second number 4, third number it is 5, and fourth number is 6, etc. Now first one 3, 4 second one, third one 5, and fourth one 6. So this is AP now. Now next one, exercise number 5.2, 8th question. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and the last term is 106. Find the 29th term. An AP consists of 50 terms. Total 50 terms are there. That means here one clue is the last term is 106, means what? 50th term will be 106. Find the 29th term. Okay. Now we will start now. For what all things given? Third term is 12. Third term means it is A3 equals 12. Then last term means what? Last term means it is 50th term. That means what? It is A50 equals 106. Clear? You have to find out 29th term. So from here A3 is equal to 12 means it will be A plus 2D equals 12, equation number 1. A50 is equal to 106 means what? A plus 49D equals 106. Question number 2. Now here also we can do it fastly. Here it is minus, here it is minus, minus. Cancel. Here 49 minus 2, you will get negative 47D equals 106 minus 12. 106 minus 12. It is 94 you will get. So D is equal to negative 94 you will get. Negative 94 divided by negative 47. You will get the 45 into 2 is 90. 46 into 2 is 92. 47 into 2 is 94. And negative divided by negative, positive. And D is equal to 2. Okay. Now you got D and then you can find out A also. So in you substitute what? Substitute D equals 2 in equation number 1. Gives A plus 2 into 2 equals 12. So A plus 4 is equal to 12. And then what we can say? A is equal to 12 minus 4. A is equal to 8. What is the next step then? Find the 29th term. 29th term, how will you find out? A29 equals A plus 28D. A is 8 plus 28 into D is 2. So it will be 8 plus 25 into 2 is 50. What are 26 into 2 is what? 52. 27 into 2 is 54. 28 into 2 is 56. So 56 plus 8. 56 plus 6 is 62. So it will be 64. So 29th term is 64 of this AP. Now 5.2 10th question. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. You have to find the common difference and they have given the condition. Just read the condition once again. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. The 17th term of an AP, then you can think that 17th term of an AP equals. That means A17 should be equal to exceeds its 10th term. Then 10th term, then exceeds means plus by 7. Clear? So this is the condition. Now what is the next section then? You have to expand now. A17 means it is A plus 16D. Right? Nothing is given now. Only this condition is given. You have to find out common difference. So just expand. A7 means A plus 16D. A10 means it is A plus 9D plus 7. Now can you cancel anything? Equal sign is there. Same thing is there. Right? A is there with the same sign. A is there with the same sign. Then balance is 16D equals 9D plus 7. Take to 9D to this side. 16D minus 9D equals 7. Then here it is 7D equals 7 and D is equal to 7 by 7. D is equal to 1 you will get. So exercise number 5.2 11th question. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 etc. will be 132 more than its 54th term? So these things you have to remember, underline things. Which term of the AP, which term comes means you have to find out N, right? And then will be 132 more than its 54th term. So you have to write that equation, right? So we want N. For that what we can write? AN you have to write. AN is equal to, it will be, AN will be what? 132 more than, 132 more means plus more than its 54th term, that means A54. Right? Now what all things given? That also you have to write. AP is given and A is equal to, here we will write 3 and what is D? It is AP. So 15 minus 3 only need to find out, it is 12. So A is equal to 3, D is equal to 12. Now here we will expand now. It is AN means it is A plus N minus 1 into D equals 132 plus A plus 53 dA plus 53D, right? So it will be A and A we can cancel because in the middle there is equal sign, same sign is there for A, so we can cancel it. Now n minus 1 into D is 12 equals 132 plus 53 into 12, right? So n minus 1 into 12 equals 132 plus 53 into 12, you have to find out. It is 636. So it will be 636. Then 636 plus 132, you will get the answer 768. So n minus 1 into 12 is equal to 768. N minus 1 is equal to 768 by 12. So n minus 1 is equal to 768 by 12. So 12 into 4, 48, 12 into 5, it is 60. So 12 into 6, it is 72, right? So 6 is there, 72. Then 48 is 464, you will get 12 into 4, 48. So n minus 1 is equal to 64. Then n is equal to 64 plus 1. So it will be n is equal to 65. So n is equal to 65 is the answer. After that, what you have to write? 65th term, right? 65th term will be what? 132 more than its 54th term. Okay. Now exercise number 5.2, 12th question. Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term? Three conditions they are telling. First one, two APs have same common difference. That means D will be for both the APs. What about A then? It may be different. So we'll just consider that let first AP should be A and second AP should have the first term for the two APs. The two APs. And what they have? A and capital A be the first term or the two APs. Then D is same. Right? Then what is the next thing then? The difference between their 100th term is, the difference between their 100th terms is 100. Difference means subtraction. Their 100th term. So this first one's, how will you find out 25th term? A25, right? Fifth term, how will you find out fifth term? A5, right? So 100th term means what? A100, right? First AP's 100th term is small a 100. Two APs are there, right? And two APs have same common difference D, and both of them got different what? First term. Always we are thinking about for the AP two main things are there. Which are they? First term and common difference, right? So here they told that common difference is same, and here they did not tell about the first term. So we are taking as the first term for the first AP is small a, and first term for the second AP is capital A. The next condition they told that it is the 100th term. Difference between, difference means minus, difference between the two APs means 100th term APs. AP's 100th term should be equal to what is 100. 100th term means A100 for the first AP, and 100th term second term means capital A100, right? 50th term means A50 will write. Same a 100th term for both the APs like this, and the difference is like this. Okay, so that is the first thing they told you. Just we will find out the answer for this. It is A plus 99D minus what? A plus first term is here small letter A, here capital letter A, right? A plus here A100 means 99D. And here two terms are there, keep it in bracket, equals 100. Again it will be A plus 99D minus capital A minus 99D equals 100. Plus 99D minus 99D you can cancel, and A minus A is equal to 100 you will get as the first equation. Again second one you have to find out what is it. What is the difference between their thousandth term? So thousandth term you have to find out, and then difference. Thousandth term means what? For the first AP it will be A 1000 and the second AP will be capital A 1000, and their difference you have to find out. Right? So it will be, what we will write now? Here it will be A 1000. 8000 means it will be A plus 999D minus, then here we will write, it will be better, is equal to A plus 999D minus, here also it will be capital A plus 999D in bracket. Right? Here again you can expand, so it will be A plus 999D minus A minus 999D. Again we can cancel from here to here. What will you get then? It is A minus A you will get. Right? Then A minus A you got. That means A 1000 minus capital A 1000 you have to find out. They got the answer A minus A. Right? Then what equation number 1 says? From equation number 1 says that A minus A is equal to 100. So A 1000 minus A 1000 is equal to 100. The difference will be 100. This is example number 7. Okay. And we are writing as third question for the examples. How many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? How many 2-digit numbers? Means number of numbers you have to find out which are divisible by 3. And here it is 2-digit numbers should be there, and divisible by 3 also should be there. Divisible by 3 means what? 3 is stable you can say, right? Then you will get the answer. When it is divided you will get the remainder as 0. Divisible means when you are dividing you will get the remainder as 0. So here just look, we will start the 2-digit numbers which is divisible by 3. Which is the first 2-digit number? It is 10, right? Is it divisible by 3? No. 11, is it divisible by 3? No. 12, yes. 3 into 4, 12. So 12, then next one. Plus add 3, you will get the answer, right? 12 plus 3, 15. Right? Again 3, 18. Then again 3, it will be 21, etc. Are the, then one more. Can you find out the last digit, 2-digit number which is divisible? 2-digit number, which is it? It is, last 2-digit number is 99. Is it divisible by 3? If 1 means you can find out whether you will get the answer remainder as 0. 3, 3 3s are 9. Again 9, 3 3s are 9. You will get the answer. That means 99 is the last 2-digit numbers which is divisible by 3. So are the 2-digit numbers divisible by 3. Now from here you have to find out how many numbers, 2-digit numbers. How many numbers means what you have to find out? It is n you have to find out. So what you have to do then? We have to find out the formula first. You have to write the formula first. N is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What all things given? A is equal to 12, D is equal to 3 is given. And one more thing, 99 is given last term. So what we can write then? An is equal to 99. Right? Last term we will consider as An or L. Okay. So 99. We will apply now. 99 equals A is 12 plus n minus 1 into 3. Now 99 minus 12 equals n minus 1 into 3. 99 minus 12 means it will be 87 equals n minus 1 into 3. Then 87 by 3 equals n minus 1. What is 87 by 3? 3 2s are 6, 27. So 29. 3 9s are 27. 29 is equal to n minus 1. So n is equal to 29 plus 1. You get the answer 30. So how many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3? It is 30 numbers are 30 numbers or 32 digit numbers are divisible by 3. Next exercise number 5.2, 15th question. For what value of n? That means you have to find out the value of n. Then what they told them are the nth term of 2 APs are. So nth terms of 2 APs are equal. 2 APs are given 63, 65, 61 first AP, then 3, 10, 17 etc. second AP, and they told that nth term of the 2 APs are equal. Nth term means what? We call it as nth term. It is an. So an should be equal, and you have to find out the value of n. You have to find out n equals what. So they told that an of the first AP should be equal to an of the second AP. This is the thing they told you, right? Keep it in your mind, okay? Don't write for the exam. Then what is the next step then? What is the next step? From the first AP, what all things we can find out? A is there, D is there. Second AP also A is there, D is there. Then you have to find out value of n, okay? So you have to find out the value of n. And the first AP is 63, 65, 67 etc. A is equal to 63, D is equal to 65 minus 63. D equals what you will get? 2 you will get. So an is equal to, so here for the first AP, okay, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Then an we have to find out. A is 63 plus d is 2. So n minus 1 into 2. That means an equals 63 plus 2n minus 2. Okay. Then here we can write an is equal to 63 minus 2. Right? 63 minus 2 is 61 plus 2n. Equation number we will 1 write. Okay. Now second one, second AP, it is second AP is 3, 10, 17 etc. So from here we can write A is equal to 3, D is equal to 10 minus 3, D is equal to 7. So here nth term means an, a plus n minus 1 into d. An we have to find out. So an equals a is 3 plus n minus 1 same as n, d is 7. So an equals 3 plus 7n minus 7. We are removing the bracket, okay. Then an is equal to 3 minus 7. You will get the answer 7n. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. So this will be equation number 2. Then what they told, an of the first AP will be equal to an of the second AP. Right? According to the condition, 1 should be equal to, according to the question. What question were they told? An of the first AP, equation number 1 should be equal to 2. Right? So here we will write equation 1 should be, equation number should be 1 should be equal to equation number 2. So it will be a 61 plus 2n equals 7n minus 4. Now take the numbers in one side and then with the variables to the other side. 61 plus 4 equals 61 plus 4 equals 7n minus 2n. 64 plus 4 it is 65 equals it is 5n. Right? So n is equal to 65 by 5. N is equal to what will you get? It is 13 you will get. Right? So what you can say, n is equal to 13 is the value.